Hello YouTube, Fanatic Productions here with a video again on a tutorial in what, 6 months. Not too bad. Basically, the question is on YouTube, how do I make an object like a sword glow with the blade in Cycles Render since I do not work in Blender rendering? Any video on how we can glow our own object parts. Basically, the question is asking how do you make a separate material on an item glow? So, I went ahead and threw a little scene right here together. I created this little sword in like less than a minute, and then threw a plane here for a reference, so you can see the actual effect. So, in order to do this, first of all, for Cycles Render, you switch to Cycles Render, obviously, and then you want to take your sword, create a material in the Material tab. We'll name this Handle, and we'll give this a darker color. Apply that, and you see we have a dark color for this. Now we want to create another material, and we'll title this Glow, and we'll give this a purple. We'll give this something that's easy to notice, a light neon purple color, and we'll attach that to the handle part of the sword, assign, and now it looks like that. As you can see, it's just a dull sword, nothing special about it, no glow or anything. Easy change. Go over to the surface area. Beside surface, you see diffuse BSDF. Click that, you go up to emission. Oh, I forgot to specify. Make sure you're on glow, the glow material, not handle, unless you want the handle glow, which is weird, but whatever. Click glow, diffuse BSDF, emission. Now, go to Cycles Render, and your sword is glowing. And you can change the strength of it. Its default is 1. The higher the strength, the more it glows. And if you look at the ground, the floor is glowing as well. And there you go. Also, be careful. If you change the strength too high, it's eventually just going to turn white. That's pretty much how brightness works in Blender.